Hello friends, your today's story is The Moonlight Cottage. In a quiet valley surrounded by tall silver trees, there was a small cottage. The cottage had a blue door, white curtains, and a tiny garden full of lavender flowers. Every night, when the world became silent, the moonlight would gently touch the roof of the cottage. The air felt soft and cool. The stars shimmered like teeny diamonds in the sky. Inside the cottage lived a little girl named Elara. Elara loved the night. She believed that the moon carried secret stories from faraway lands. One evening, as she lay in her cozy bed, she heard a soft whisper outside her window. It was not scary, it was calm, like the wind humming a lullaby. She slowly opened her window. A teeny glowing firefly floated inside. Its light was warm and golden. Follow me, the firefly seemed to say. Alara closed her eyes and suddenly she felt as light as a feather. She was no longer in her room. She was walking through a meadow filled with glowing flowers. The grass sparkled beneath her feet. A gentle river flowed nearby, making a peaceful sound. The water reflected the moon like a silver mirror. She sat beside the river. The firefly rested on her shoulder. Everything felt safe. Everything felt still. In the distance, soft clouds floated low, almost touching the hills. The world seemed slower here. Breathing felt easier. Thoughts felt quieter. Alara took a deep breath. Inhale slowly and exhale gently. The stars above began to hum a quiet melody. It was a song of comfort, a song of rest. The firefly glow became softer and softer. The meadow slowly faded into warm darkness. The river's sound became quieter and quieter. Alara felt her body becoming heavy and relaxed. Her eyes closed naturally. Her heart felt peaceful. And as the moon continued to shine over the little cottage in the valley, Alara drifted into a deep, gentle sleep. The night stayed calm, the stars kept watch, and the world rested peacefully. The end.